Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Blazer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.